and welcome to Dorico for Media Composers with me, composer and orchestrator Adam Kempshall. This is the seventh and final video in this series targeted at those who wish to write music for film, TV or video games and would like to know more about preparing notation for recording. However, all of the things that I cover today will also be relevant to anyone wishing to learn more about using Dorico in general. If you enjoy these videos, please do like and subscribe to the channel. You are also now able to buy me a coffee or a cup of tea if you wish to support me that way. The link is in the video description. In the last episode, we looked at scripts and the library manager. Today is going to be a short look at importing video, how we can use that as a hack to import audio, and using the marker track. Right, that's enough of my face. Let's go look at Dorico. Right, so here we are in a new project that I have set up using my template just for today's video. So first of all, how do we import video? It's easy, if a little unintuitive. Go into setup mode, and at the bottom, find the flow you are working on. Ta-da! Right-click, video, and attach. To be very meta, I'm just going to use the intro video for this series. Then we have some essential settings. Make sure the frame rate of the project matches the video just as you would in your DAW. Then you adjust where the video starts. So say you want your 2 bars click to actually be written out, for example, we can have the video start 8 beats into the score. Video start offset starts the video from the timecode, and timecode start allows you to adjust the timecode to match the timecode at the start of the video. For our purposes today, we will start the video at the beginning, and as our video doesn't have a burnt-in timecode, I'll just set it to start at 1 hour. Then press OK. If you can't actually see the video window, press F4. Now when I play the piece, you can see that the video starts after 8 beats, i.e. in bar 3. If you just want to see the current timecode, you can click on the time in the transport bar, and that will alternate between the timing of the piece and the timecode. Additionally, you can also show the timecode on the score. In layout options, we have markers and timecode. Various options here. We want to show markers on a timecode staff. And then the rest is just personal preference. Going to show them for every bar here. That can get a little bit messy, and we're going to put them just below the timecode staff, and our timecode staff is going to be positioned above the woodwinds, so at the top. So I click apply, and now you can see we have our timecode start. There's our 1 hour where our video starts. If you want to create markers, it is far easier to work them out in your DAW first and then import them. In order to import them, you have 2 options. If you are a Cubase user on version 14 or above, then just save your Cubase project as a Dorico file and start from that file. Here's one I made earlier, and as you can see, it has imported the tempo track, the time signatures, and the markers, although it has also given us the sort of bars running that we had before as well, so you may just wish to delete that. Alternatively, export your file in your DAW to a MIDI file, making sure any setting mentioning markers, tempo and or time signature is selected, and then import that into Dorico. The default settings should do it. And it's created that as a new flow. As you can see there, we have our timecode, our markers, and down here I only had one small bit of MIDI in this file just for a demonstration. Adding all the rest of the instruments is easy, just in setup, select all the instruments, and then this is our new flow we've just put in. Just select that, what looks like a minus sign in a box, and now we've got all our instruments there. The only thing I found with this is that importing from Cubase didn't preserve the bar numbers, and that's an easy fix. You can either just delete the extra bars, like so, or if you wish, you can add in a bar number change just by right-clicking, bar numbers, add a bar number change the primary to 1, or whatever you want it to be. The timecode also didn't import, so to change that, go to setup mode, and adjust the video parameters even if you don't have a video attached. You can still do that, just video properties, and we can once again change our timecode start to 1 if we wish, and there we go. Sometimes you may just want to have an audio track attached to your project and not a video. It can be useful when orchestrating, for example. The hack for this is very simple. It's just turn your audio into a blank video with just sound using whatever video editing software you prefer, and then import that as a video in just the same way. That's it for today. I hope you found this series useful. Any questions, please do drop them in the comments. I have plans for future series, but no firm details yet. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.